So after I mix my couscous with my stew, I'm just going to add a little water. For couscous, you don't need so much water. Okay, this water is from the stew. Mix it thoroughly, then you cover it, and then allow the steam to cook it. Okay. So while this is on fire, I'm going to go ahead and prep my vegetables. But this time I'm doing something different, and you are going to see. I'm going to cut off the top of the bell pepper. Oh, easy peasy. Okay. I just wanted to have this whole. Right. After some few minutes, give it a stir. So now I'm gonna add my colorful bell peppers, and then add some onions too. Then I'm gonna cover it and wait for it to, cook a little bit, but not so much. As for the couscous, there is ready. It doesn't take so long to cook. Today I'm going to try to use cheese, and I decided to use mozzarella cheese. I'm going to use in just maybe 2 or 3. I want to see how this also turns out. Mix some with this. Here comes the fun part. I'm going to top it up with more mozzarella. So I did 2 without cheese and then 4 with cheese. Let me see how it comes out. Into my Rommel's basher. Oh my god, doesn't it look beautiful?